Mid-90s PS1 made 3D mainstream with CDs and polygons. Gaming changed forever. PS2 brought DVD, faster graphics, and a massive library, smoother worlds, and gaming in more living rooms. PS3 stepped into HD, Blu-ray, online play, and ambitious tech that pushed visuals and complexity. PS4 refined the experience, social features, accessible development, and steady high-fidelity performance. PS5 leaps ahead, ultra-fast SSD, ray tracing, 3D audio, and adaptive haptics. Loading fades, immersion rises.
In 1994, PlayStation arrived and gaming changed forever. It brought true 3D, turning flat sprites into living worlds. Mascots like Crash Bandicoot leapt into depth. CD-ROMs delivered up to 650 MB per game, cinematic cutscenes, voice acting, and richer audio. Crash, Tekken, and Metal Gear Solid became icons, pushing gameplay, polish, and storytelling to new heights. PlayStation turned Sony into a gaming powerhouse. Its innovations still shape consoles and our nostalgia.
Remember this startup? The PS2 landed in 2000, and everything changed. It became the best-selling console and a legit DVD player in your living room. Better 3D graphics and a huge game library meant endless worlds to explore. GTA San Andreas, God of War, and Shadow of the Colossus defined a generation. PS2 dominated the market and set gaming standards we still chase today.
PS3 launched packed with power and Blu-ray, yet polarizing. High price and a complex cell architecture slowed early momentum. Then came the exclusives. Uncharted, God of War 3, The Last of Us. PS3 showcased the potential of HD gaming and connected online play. From a tough start to a defining era, PS3's lasting legacy.
The PS4 revolutionized gaming with simple yet powerful hardware that developers absolutely loved. Its architecture was a dream for developers, allowing them to create amazing experiences.
Blockbuster exclusives like God of War and Spider-Man set new standards for gaming excellence. Streaming capabilities let you share your gaming moments across all your devices.
Online multiplayer brought gamers together in ways never seen before.
An incredible library of games that kept players entertained for years.
One of Sony's greatest triumphs, selling over 117 million units worldwide.
PS4, where gaming greatness happens.
Gaming has evolved. Now the future arrives. PlayStation 5 introduces ultra-fast SSDs and ray tracing technology. Experience seamless transitions and lightning-fast loading. DualSense gives players a new level of immersion with haptic feedback. Ray tracing delivers cinematic visuals with unprecedented realism. 4K gaming and next-gen performance redefine what's possible, continuing the PlayStation legacy of innovation and excellence. Sony didn't stop at classic consoles. They revolutionized gaming with PlayStation VR. Step into fully immersive, interactive worlds where gaming becomes reality. High-resolution displays and precise motion tracking deliver unmatched realism. Comfortable design and easy setup make it accessible to everyone. Works with hundreds of games, expanding your gaming universe. PlayStation VR proved Sony is ready to push the future of gaming technology.
Remember when gaming meant playing alone in your room? Then PlayStation Network changed everything. Online multiplayer connected millions of players globally. Digital downloads brought instant access to amazing games. Cloud saves let you play anywhere, anytime. Streaming turned gaming into a shared experience. PSN built a global gaming community that's essential to how we play today.
Sony has revolutionized gaming by supporting indie developers like never before on PS4 and PS5. Games like Journey, Hollow Knight, and Hades have reached massive audiences through PlayStation's platform.
These indie titles bring incredible creativity, variety, and fresh ideas to the PlayStation ecosystem. Sony's support empowers developers to create unique experiences that enrich gaming for everyone.
PlayStation continues to be the home for innovative indie games and creative visionaries.